Ethereum is about to test a major resistance level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit the like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $9,100 of a trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. As you guys can see on Ethereum, we are now retesting this previous support as resistance. Usually when we tend to see things, we either see a breakout formation to the upside or a consolidation and that continuation. Now, I will explain exactly what I am seeing on the charts. You can see that as of right now, we are above the exponential moving averages on the 4-hour, but we are failing to break above these specific levels. I mentioned in the previous video that this level specifically at around the 1220 mark is going to act as a very crucial support level for Ethereum, and you can see we pretty much had that break of that formation on that bearish engulfing candle, continuing and now retesting as resistance. Of course, if we do get one last push above for that liquidity grab, I would be looking to around that 1278 to 1331, just like we saw this move set over here, and then the continuation to the downside. I am not bullish on Ethereum in the long term, but in the short term, of course, after this massive waterfall effect and consolidation, things are obviously getting a little bit more interesting. Usually when you tend to see a large move set like this and then a consolidation, you usually have another move set coming to the downside. But if we do see a break of this formation, guys, this is going to become extremely interesting because this would act as an inverse bark formation. The take profit level could be around the 15-18 level as a bull trap, and then the move to the downside, because this was obviously capitulated because of the FTX and the uncertainty in the market. In my opinion, I do think we did oversell. We shot extremely fast to the downside, so I would expect a short squeeze before we continue pushing downwards. Of course, this theory would be invalidated if Ethereum breaks anywhere lower than the 1130 level and we continue pushing to the downside, because at that point we will create a new low and possibly testing that overall $1,000 mark. In the long term, of course, I'm still bearish on Ethereum because of the fact that I don't necessarily think the bottom is in. My levels are still $1,000 and around the $723 mark. But of course, if we look on the lower time frames for Ethereum, you can see we are above the exponential moving averages, and we can't change the fact that Ethereum is finding a midterm support right here at 1170, right? We have to look at the facts, and right now the fact is the fact that the bulls are definitely in control of these levels. You can see that the bears do look exhausted. We are seeing more and more bullish engulfing candles being formed. Of course, this could be a fake out on the lower time frames because they usually are more manipulated, but as long as we are above these exponential moving averages, we could be expecting a short-term move to the upside. On the 4-hour time frames, you can see that we are testing a very crucial level right now, trying to break above the 20 exponential moving average. If we do get a nice strong bullish engulfing candle, we can possibly look for some take profits around the 1264 to 1278. I would expect one more wick to the upside, but in terms of the short-term bullish momentum, I would like to see Ethereum actually break above that 1278, use it as support, and that continuation. Using it as support is a very crucial point for Ethereum. You can see that we failed to do that level over here, the same thing over here, and this will now become the third test opportunity to try to use that level as support for that continuation move set, which ideally would be the best case scenario. If we don't see that, of course, and from the bearish case scenario we do see a fake out and then move to the downside, my take profit level would be around this 1080 level, and if we do break that low, then it could definitely be testing that overall $1,000 mark. But as you guys know on previous price analysis, this would become the fourth test on Ethereum, and usually on the fourth test we tend to see a massive breakdown formation, so just keep that in mind. I would much rather be in a shorting position than in a long position right now, because overall the trend is still down, right? We can't change the fact that Ethereum has been in this massive downtrend, and the same situation could have been right here, right? As soon as we tested a $1,000 level, a lot of people thought the bottom was in, and you can see we pretty much capitulated right back to where we were, and in my opinion we are still creating these lower lows, so I'd be very, very careful about entering any sort of long positions long term. That's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in that free $9,100 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.